go with that 43 you had. I didn't hear any of it. I jumped slightly down.
10-4, I just wanted to know if you should be put back 70.
Do you ever know this tiny little thing can do wonders? Hey buddies, what's going on? I hope all is well. So welcome back to an awesome video where we are going to see about this tiny little light from Aputure. This is the Aputure MC light. Thank you Aputure for sending me this light. So guys, if you're new to the channel, I'm Carrio from India. We talk photography, filmmaking, editing and many other social media stuffs that help creators like us. So if you're new here, do hit that subscribe button down below and just hit that bell icon to get regularly notified whenever I make a video. So in this video, we're going to see all about this Aputure MC. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So guys, we have received this box from Aputure. It's mentioned as Multicolor LED. That's why it's called as MC. So now let's unbox. This is the box Aputure has sent us. On the front there is the image of the Aputure MC, below which it's mentioned as Multicolor LED. On the sides the same MC is mentioned, followed by the tagline any color anytime. You also have the logo of Aputure brand. And at the bottom you have all the features that's available on this Aputure MC light. So let's now unbox the same and see what's inside. You can slowly lift the top cover and you have the light first. So let's take the light out. So it's too small and tiny, and you know its power is very high. So on the sides you have the branding, followed by a display to just display all the values that you set with this light. So it's very good, and followed by you have a slider, an on-off switch, and also the Type-C port to just charge this Aputure MC. On the next side we have a 1/4" 20 screw mount, which will be very helpful for you to mount this light on any tripod or even any light stands. Followed by we have air vents to make sure that this light is not overheated, so it keeps the light cool. On the back side we have two magnets at both the ends, so this ensures that we can easily fix this light to any surface which is metal, and that makes this light more special. Now let's keep the light on the side and see what's inside the box. First we have the instruction manual or the product manual. So it consists all the information required for the users, so you can just read if required. So let's keep the manual aside and take the next item, which is the case. So the case looks premium and made up of good quality leather. It also has a clip so that you can just hang it on your bags or even your belts. So let's open the case and see what's inside. Okay, we have couple of things. So first we have the USB Type-C cable, so which is just helpful to charge this light. Followed by we have a Velcro. So if you want to just mount this light to any fixed place, then you can use this 3M Velcro tape so that you can just fix to a particular place. And finally we have this beautiful diffuser. So this diffuser is the one that's gonna do some magic to give that diffused light for you. Let's just peel off this scratch card on the light. Aha, that's nice, right? So we can just attach the diffuser with the light and switch on the light. Just make sure you match the vents of the diffuser with the light. So that's our beautiful Aputure MC. So guys, MC is the first light from Aputure to have full hue, saturation and intensity color control. With 360-degree hue and 100 levels of saturation control, you can just simply reproduce any color in the palm of your hands. That's the power of this Aputure MC. So this is because this Aputure MC is not just an RGB light, it's an RGBWW light. It does not depend only on the RGB, which is the red, green and blue. It also has one white light balanced at tungsten and another white light balanced at daylight. So this makes the Aputure MC the impossibly small light to just compete with industry giants.
Now let's see how to use this light manually. So here is the display of this light. Towards its right we have three options: the slider, an on-off switch followed by USB charging port. So the on-off switch can be just used to switch on and off the light. Other than that, the slider is really gonna work here for all the options. So if you just press and hold the slider, it works as a backward switch. So from inside CCT mode to come out, I am just pressing it and holding it for a few seconds so that it comes out. To change between the values, you just need to slide that slider. So to enter into any mode, you just need to press it once. That's it, as simple as that. Single press, enter in, press and hold, come back, slide to change the value.
Moving on to the mounting option of this Aputure light, the Aputure MC has two magnets on the back, making it easy to just fix it to any metal surface. That's it, you have the light fixed, as simple as that. So you can just simply fix it to any metal surface with the help of these magnets. The second way you can use this for mounting is with the help of a 1/4" 20 screw mount. You can just fix it to any tripod or even light stands and you can simply use it. The third way is with the help of this velcros given in the package. So if you want to fix this light permanently to any particular surface, then you can use this 3mm velcro and fix it. The Aputure MC makes filmmaking more easy with the help of its multiple lighting modes, starting with the HSI mode, which is the hue, saturation and intensity modes. As I just said earlier, you can just adjust the hue up to 360 degree, just shifting between the colors, and increase the saturation up to 100 and also increase the intensity of light up to 100%. Next mode you have is the CCT mode. So MC is the first light from Aputure to have fine CCT mode, where you can adjust by color, that is from 3200 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin in increments of 100. You can simply just shift between a warmer tone to a cooler tone with the help of this Aputure MC light. The third mode is the FX mode, where you have some simply pre-installed 10 presets which you can use in a single tap.
You go with that first three you had. I didn't hear any, but I know jump flag me down.
10-4, I just wanted to know if you should be put back 70.
One of the cons of this Aputure MC is it's not powerful enough to act as a key light to just light the entire subject for your videos. But if you just combine few MCs together, it's gonna act as a key light for your videos. So to do this, you have an app from Aputure which is called as the Sidus Link. So this app uses an advanced technology called as mesh technology to combine multiple Aputure lights together. So within a 400 range of distance from the mobile, you can connect all the MCs together, where you can just keep your MCs at a distance of max 80 meters. So that's really awesome, right? You can just control a lot of lights in one single app.
We can now see how to use this Sidus Link app. So you can just install the app from Play Store, SIDUS LINK. Sidus Link. We can just click on plus and create a new scene. Inside that, it will ask you to add new fixture. Just give the plus icon. Make sure like you just reset the Bluetooth before just connecting this light. So here the light is shown. I am just clicking on the light and selecting OK. So we have paired the light with the app. So we can just click on the light name and enter the Sidus Link app. So here there are 4 options at the top: white, gel, color and effect. So here the white section is generally the CCT mode in the light. So you can just change the temperature and intensity of the light. The gel section has many presets which can be used by just clicking on it. The third section is the color section where you can just keep any color of the 16 million color wheel on the display. Finally, we have the effects section where we can just select all those presets available on the light. You can also make the light hum with the music by just selecting a song. So you can just explore this app and even create your own presets.
One of the awesome features of this Sidus Link app is that you can just simply reproduce any color in this app. Just use the color picker tool to capture an image of any color, and within seconds your Aputure MC is going to simply reproduce that color.
So here I am just showing some samples where I can just simply reproduce any color by just taking an image of the color. So it's very easy to reproduce any color.
And maybe that's why it has the tagline any color, anytime. The MC is compatible with QA wireless charging protocol, enabling it to just be charged with any of the wireless chargers in the market. That's awesome, right? Not only just with this USB power, you can also charge it with wireless chargers. So the Aputure MC not only comes as a single unit, it also comes as a 4-unit travel kit and a 12-unit production kit. So these cases are not just cases, they also act as chargers. So you can just simply place the lights on the cases and they are charged instantly. The MC light weighs just 130 grams with a thickness of 17 mm and just slightly larger than your credit cards. Moving on to its battery capacity, it can work more than 2 hours at full brightness and it can work more than 15 hours at minimum brightness. The last and the final point is its cost. It comes at around $90, which is around 9,000 Indian rupees. So yes guys, that's all about this RGB light from Aputure, the Aputure MC. So if you like this video, do hit that like button down below. And if you want to know anything about this Aputure MC light, let me know in comments and I'm sure that I'm gonna reply all of them. Does it give a horror look? So yes guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for staying till now, and if you're new here, do hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get regularly notified whenever I make a video. So yes guys, that's it for this video. We'll meet you in another video. Until then, it's your Carrio signing off.